Hey, it's me, Anita, coming to you with Holiday Advent Collab. You guys, question, is it just me, or do you guys have people coming in your craft room, taking your stuff when you know you just had it and you can't find it? Oh my gosh, I am looking for a couple of Tim Holtz dies. I can't find them. I want to show them to you guys. So I'm going to go to do something else and hopefully I can find them. But I can find every Tim Holt one but the one that I need. So I'm sorry if I'm rambling. Let's go. This is what we've done. This collab is hosted by Poetspice. And we're supposed to use holiday stuff. So this is what I used. And a Griffin. And I just was going to show you some of them. This is the die that it came with. All right. I am just baffled. I need to find those dies, but I don't know if I'm going to find them. But this is a card that I made. That's all I have for you today. Until next time, you guys have a blessed day. If you like what you see, give me thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you guys have things, people coming and taking stuff out of your craft room, let me know. Because I just had my dies and I can't find them. And then, you know, in the next 2 minutes, they'll pop up. All right. You guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.